Hello, dear students. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching Climate of Bharat, Class 8 Geography. In the last chapter, you have learned location and extent of Bharat, physiographic division of Bharat, Bharat as a geographical unit, and the Bharat and all its neighboring country. My dear students, now it's come to have all about climate of Bharat. In the last chapter, as you have already seen, the diversity of Bharat in physiographic division, in location and extent, and the structure of Bharat like a motherland. You enjoy all the video lectures. In this video, this diversity comes the physiographic division. Due to physiographic division, diversity in climate we can also feel in India very easily. As I told you, Bharat is a mini world because of its physiographic division, because of its climatic region. All sorts of climate which feels across the globe can also be feel in India. My dear students, what is the learning objective of this chapter? Is the basic thing is that in this chapter, learning objective of this chapter, what is climate, what is weather? Is that any difference of weather and climate? What is the factors affecting Bharat's climate, and what is the phenomenon of Indian monsoon? How Bharat is totally prone into monsoon in the particular season of rainy season, monsoon season. Monsoon is the good region for India, and it is very significant, play a very significant role when it's come to talking about climate of Bharat. So first and foremost we are going to deal what is climate. As you know, dear students, climate refers to the sum total of the weather conditions and variations over a large area of a long period of time, more than 30 years. There is a difference actually. Weather is not permanent. Weather refers to states of the atmosphere over the area at any point of time. So this is the difference. You can say weather is a subset of climate. Dear students, this is map of Bharat climatic region. As you have seen here in the north part of Bharat, here is Jammu and Kashmir. Now it is sected by Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. So in this area, in the Ladakh part, we have very cold deserted region. That means humid subtropical region. This is so humid region. This is, and this is all about the cold deserted region. In this area, we have seen like a tundra climatic zone, and this is the region of arid zone of Rajasthan here, and this is all about the this is all about central highlands. This is the area of coastal plain. This is also a coastal plain area, and here is the tropical wet dry season, and all about the Indian map in this climatic region is tropical wet and dry, like savanna type of climatic region, and the semi-arid region like a steppe region, and the humid subtropical region is a warm summer region. And we can say this part in this Rajasthan we have a desert part of climatic region where you can feel diurnal temperature. Okay, so is that any element which of atmosphere? Yes, we have temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, and precipitation. All these factors are the elements of the climate. And as you know that in India we have winter, summer, and rainy season, main sorts of season. In a rainy season, we have so many things we have to learn here, like unification of monsoon is a unifying bond. Monsoon, how monsoon affected India's climate, what is the biggest region of monsoon comes in India, what is actually monsoon, all about that. Means this chapter is very crucial, very significant for the purpose of your knowledge and for the purpose of your examination point of view. And this is also very scientific chapter to know about the mechanism of monsoon, mechanism of Indian climate. Okay, so guys, today this is it. This is all about today's lecture. We are going to discuss India's climatic zone, about the factors affecting India's climate in next another video, which is very important. Till then, thank you so much and bye bye.